She was used to answer someone else's prayer and then thrown away. No name, no home, no one coming back for her. Maybe you know what that feels like. To be needed and then forgotten. This is Hagar's story. Hagar was a slave. Property, not a person. She cooked, she carried, she served. And when Sarah couldn't have a child, they used her. Not as a wife, as a body. She became pregnant. And for the first time, she carried something that was hers. But it didn't last. Do whatever you want with her. And just like that, she was sent away. Pregnant, alone, no water, no direction, just desert, and the kind of silence that tells you nobody is coming.
I carried their water, I carried their bread, I carried their future inside me instead. But when the weight was too heavy for her pride to allow, she threw me to the desert, and I'm carrying it now. I wasn't a daughter, I wasn't a wife, I was an answer to a prayer that was never mine. I don't even have a name that anyone would call. I'm just the girl who served the tea and slept beside the wall. If I died out here tonight, would anyone know it all? I don't even have a name that anyone would call. He lay beside me in the dark, but never learned my fears. She dressed me for his bed, then cursed me for his tears. I gave them what they wanted, and they gave me the sand. A belly full of promise and nothing in my hands. I don't even have a name that anyone would call. I'm just the girl who served the tea and slept beside the wall. I'm not Sarah, I'm not a wife, not a mother, not even a person. I'm just the Egyptian girl. Does anyone even know I'm gone?
The desert doesn't who you are. It takes everyone the same way. Slowly. silently, without apology. She found a small spring and collapsed beside it. This wasn't survival anymore. This was a place to stop dying.
I waited for someone to follow my footprints. I watched the horizon till it swallowed the sun. I told myself someone would notice I'm missing. But the light disappeared. And nobody came. No, nobody came. I'm talking to a God I was never taught to pray to, in a language he might not understand. But he's all I've got left, and even he belongs to them. Nobody's coming, nobody's coming for me. I'm out in the dirt with the child I can't feed. They got what they wanted, and I got the sand. Nobody's coming. I used to think invisible meant safe. If they couldn't see me, they couldn't hurt me. But invisible just means when you scream, nobody hears. Nobody's coming, nobody's looking for me. I'm just a servant girl who wandered off to bleed. They'll find my bones one day and not know who I'd been. Nobody's coming. Nobody's coming. God of Abraham. I know I'm not yours. Not like her. Not like him. But I'm here. And I'm dying. And this baby. This baby didn't choose this either. If you're real, if you're there. See me.
And then, in the silence, someone spoke. Not Abraham, not Sarah, God. And the first word he said was her name, Hagar. For the first time, someone saw her. Not as a servant, not as a mistake, but as a person. And she gave him a name, El Roy, the God who sees me. I saw you before they gave you a name. I knew you before you carried their shame. When they dressed you for his bed, I was already there. When you ran I didn't send you, I followed you here. You think you're no one's, you think you're lost. You think the price they paid for you is all you'll ever cost. But I see you, I see you. Not the servant, not the slave, not the body they borrowed, not the girl they threw away. I see the one I made before they gave you chains. I see you, Hagar. I have always known your name. I heard you when you whispered in the dark. I heard you when you said I wasn't yours. I heard you say you don't know how to pray. I've been listening since before you learned the words. You said nobody's coming, you said nobody hears, but I was walking toward you through every one of those years. And I see you, I see you. Not the outcast, not the used, not the one they said was nothing, not the one the world refused. I see the mother of nations standing in the sand. I see you, Hagar, and I'm here to take your hand. And you, the one listening right now, the one who thinks nobody's looking, the one who stopped expecting rescue, I see you too. I saw you when they left, I saw you when the phone stopped ringing, I saw you at 3 a.m. when you couldn't sleep and couldn't pray. I see you, I have always seen you. I see you, I see you. Not the broken, not the lost, not the one who keeps on falling, not the one who counts the cost. I see the one I'm building from the ashes and the sand. I see you, I have always known your name. Elroy, the God who sees.
I see you,
I see you. The story isn't just about her. It's about anyone who has ever felt unseen. The ones who were used, forgotten, left behind. The God who found her still finds people, even now.